This is Kesman 93.3 FM, a new wave of excellence in radio.
All right. Yeah, yeah. Some doors do for back one. No, why in them? Now, another one.
You what?
Yeah.
So, Liga, you need an experienced coach. You need a squad depth. Here a coach, I go to a certain level waiting a manager squad near amount. So there be an NG situation in Burma and Kohajin be. No, Bien said, and Casadia Luciano Spalletti in the team receive taking lead idiot. And Calis, for the first time in 31 years, come beat me agile, at the Ashe Diego Armando Maradona anymore now. But unfortunately, in the last 3 games, near Master for Napoli. So, Ochomo against Sassuolo, Ochomo against Atlanta, and in the last game that they played against Empoli, no BN at least, and can wait the Omobiti me a BB. But Medica can say, AFCON start here, but team must suffer from Africa representatives are Omobiti me about BPM or AFCON already, Napoli. Oman Timmy am finding a replacement for Abrantia Fenekalu Koulibaly into Toshe Ramani. Any Joan Jesus ne no more bona, and a man could from in defense. So Abrantia Fene Diago Dame and then Zeliskia, and Zeliskia Sakwa Kunya issues cry. Midfield or Mumbi and Timmy replace Dri Zambo Aguiza. And then up front, there's Mertens that tries to beat me a yebia, but the absence of Victor Osimhen still Napoli for Efili and Genoa. And then I'm on last 3 games in the Italian Serie A. I'm on Timmy Winibi. And then one so the consistency of the Inter Milan team. Edo Mababe drew first after Juventus creeping and AC Milan on last game boy against Udinese. Because Udinese will give them a good run for their money. Because once you're at the Dacio Arena, and after Beto scored, Zlatan in the last minute, 90 plus 2 minutes, Oba Betikano at the Amomo. In Timilan and Timian share and Timian maintaining almost portano. But again, Inter Milan 8 minutes share 4 goals nil against Cagliari. In 2 T open fan Walter Mazzarri, the coach of Cagliari, or say Nieman Emranti and one tears here because playing against Inter Milan and having 3 center backs are more experienced in Andre Carboni, Ubena Martin Caceres of Uruguay, Diego Gordon of Uruguay. No more be consider these cheap goals after Arturo Martinez as a penalty on Tiasie. And you know, as I go into the history books of the Italian Serie A, 15 shots on target at Cagliari, a conceding in Rano, and on a fisa up to quality data in the Serie A. This is the first time I see. Say one team, a goalkeeper or home defense, are considered 15 shots on target in the Italian Serie A. The funny aspect is that your ball game New Year Inter Milan share 4 goals no. Abranti FN Alessio Grano, the goalkeeper for Cagliari, or non a man of the match. It really tells you the kind of performance that Simeone Inzaghi and the Chargers put up. They are back to where they belong on the league last season, and how Simeone Inzaghi are finding a way to manage the squad, and then Lautaro ball, and then Joaquin Correa ball, the next day will be Edin Dzeko, the next day will be Alexis Sanchez. One manage squad need, and as I said, experience key so person or Giligia. Inter Milan about that first and said, yeah, we are so moving and maintaining almost sport for subsequent games. Now then, I'm Simeone Inzaghi added the Syrian for his first time if he's about a coach. Spain, Javi see Barcelona team na kan kran na Genoa. Ronald Koeman e born near Bonechi and Yeman Koyi. Javi need quality and Santos compete with the very best in the Spanish La Liga. But the reality is that she is a sign from the new Koeman time eba bisi Javi DNA. Whether youngsters or be add the oldest in the account, Genoa, clear you untimi and who the clear identity of the Barcelona team. Games no more bonus. And no the Pamplona. A mountain or Domus and they play so well. But you know, at a point, no, here will be a bit manage game, no, because Ezekiel Aguila by no, the kind of pressure no they bring Barcelona defense no. Now you will need a coach that can manage the game so well. But unfortunately, Barcelona and Timia manage game no, and look at how they considered that goal from Ezekiel. No more blocking several balls inside the 18-yard box. But again, now it's a sinner for Nacho said this season in the Spanish La Liga, almost form they was through. Inti enya at home almost beat me lose to Barcelona because this is the right time. So materials enya and I know you were a mediocre team. I bet you in Barcelona match because team no and yet team full of quality. So he Umtiti for years or for months what na bench chache now you pick was so much experience and then Dembele for me there's several opportunities a coach in the man ultimately live out to it Bale in Ricardo and to poor final delivery now who so much experience quality and then Sergio Busquets who so much experience quality within the Barcelona setup no and clearly quality is lacking, identity is lacking. Obama Javi type say it's too early so Obe call for his head. But you know he need to work and work so well. Osasuna deserve equalizer omunya no. So one share game ni bi ana follow
86 minutes.
Yes, you know.
Wow.
So one share game
ni go no. Wow.
Yes, one share game ni now follow starts now because Barcelona control proceedings now, but in the second half Abrom coach ni year 3 changes or day Ezekiel Abila mobile no. You know. Clearly sana niema sesa because now Rudy Garcia Barcelona defense but again no sign cost so many fouls edema Osasuna ma coach change no and then Ezekiel change everything for them. Omu deserve a point in this particular game but again let's give time to the Barcelona youngsters Seja omu betimi ayebibi
Adobia kaze or Pam Xavier so kaze too early to call for his head no ababa busy obi so ye Pam na
oh there be
nene ma okaza
no say you know coach no he's a former Barcelona coach, a former Barcelona player. And I'm going to buy so on some adjuma. Obey adjuma no nemo debo answani. The team continue to move from bad to worse. So okay about the team ya. Javi Nsoaba same old story na omugusu epinti. You know, sign and you expect changes per Javi ban sama na nipa bebrebe kan ba you know it is the same old story. Barcelona Omulusu in the game against Bayern Munich and Wilson after taking a goal lead, equalizing, almost taking a goal lead, almost equalizing. Until you can only give him time and hope that things work out for Barcelona.
All right. Early days here, there 16-17 games in Omabo, but 18-point difference. Yeah, the time, I don't know.
Barcelona already.
I'm a league.
You know, you have the matches.
Points in Babacount.
Be a baby account.
18.
Yes.
Wow, that's a one game.
Yes.
We have about 17, about 16.
Yes.
18.
Because you are not sure. Barcelona team need to me assure consistent results. You know, but what she married for any team now? Almost 30 league, no team now you see. But clearly, and I saw you look at Modric. I because over 20 years. Casemiro is on form. Toni Kroos is okay. Inti omu team no omu engine na aye consistent for years no omu ho ne nesa omu ho say they are off color. Luka Modric played and showed his class yesterday against Coco Resurrection in Medford. Inti born omu bo. Fortunately for them, omu defense ne quite them from the start of the league. But Edouard Mendy is working so well on the left. Sorry, Benjamin Ferland Mendy. On the right, Dani Carvajal now be who piece obey fit. Edal Militao gradually are picking the pieces, and he's playing with so much confidence. David Alaba is a world-class defender. Baby, I'll bet you to saw the Bebubian or betting the amount. They have an excellent goalkeeper in post. Now, okay, 8-point blank saves from Courtois. Now, who's a Real Madrid ready for the league? In attack, again, I'm here from Vinicius Junior View. Double assists for the first time since Zinedine Zidane AAB way back in 2003. And it's then Timmy Ma 2 assists in the Madrid derby. Obia nye bibiu Vinicius Junior na ababe. And then no agino a coin of fast so Marcos Llorente to fem no na reho. Or ye body swap be who answer Marcos Llorente no da fem. And check it first assister. Or dema Karim Benzema. You love it.
Okay.
Inti Madrid for no de you know omo experience ans no omo show omo quality. Players no omo young no. They are playing so well. So what do you expect? Atletico Madrid ko more quality in the normal san twi omo san de omo so.
Me say tough guys, you know. Okay? Barca Real. Oko country bia omo da say omo na na bomb league. Ana hu za.
Yeah no correct. Omo no bia.
De kotoko bo akode bia no. Onhwe team e wo na nim na ti o has. We has that.
That's true.
So that's it.
Yeah.
Since Kotoko how many matches? 6 matches.
Yes.
Has about 4 matches.
Yes.
Kotoko 13 points. Has to Fuk 3 points.
Yes.
Omi no mo here omo match yes.
Nice.
Nti Kimfesa dahin wa omo bia mfo bia ho. Omi no mo here. Aye.
That's true.
Aye.
That's true. But
And the team has 10 points, eh?
Yes.
Okay, has for 2 games.
But again, it still depends. When you are playing a league, now where Diana Stars, who is performing. Now, because all your house and Kwan will be mistake.
That means I saw Kohen on Kwan. That make I want to
No, Metewase.
Fans, no.
They will look at the two almost at all times.
Yes.
Send La Liga and Atletico Madrid is a third force.
Yeah.
They are potential league winner. But the major rivalry is between the two.
Yes.
Yati Omomusa.
Saying that they in them.
Last season has J League, you know. Obi Anka points difference at a point in time. Be a Kotoko. They know be at a point in time. Kotoko Lidi has 7 points.
Yes.
And has better. In Teneno, you still want to track the point difference between the two big clubs.
Let's say Juventus be dominating and AC Milan. But Inter sorry now no. AC Milan for any abri.
And any abri, yes. Young Premiership no.
A weekend of controversy. So we referee cat Hackett. I will say Andrew Malin and John Moss the omunyo pension pin omunya referee di because of Masapa. Ni interview on the court of side here no and some of the two drama. Now
the matches
Manchester City and then Wolverhampton. Now you know say where a kwanya incident na omoje ya omotu no penalty na obviously enya dey say obejatum say na ball no penalty. With experience John Moss you expect him say you know and be better. With Andre Marina at the VR room you expect another experienced referee so no so be better. But you know game no mu gina mu ama still Wood for no red card and Raul Jimenez red card no you know still I don't fighting and they play so well until no game ni nyanwa so against Liverpool so against Manchester United and this time against Manchester City. Pep Guardiola plays no munya baby am fa ball nemfa whether creating weight whether control proceedings whether creating spark up front not the final touch about me on top of no munya but you know penalty decision I wish someone bet me anya video ne dey that changed everything. Bernardo Silva ball no play and let no in Sabon and it was clear. You know, I say one who cry and I say share videos no upon videos I almost a ball na and say ball ampe. But referees as always some who say ball na you know the over can be an inkonkusiaga. They have double chance of beating me a video no. Referee say a penalty. What can you say? You can only backlash them and lambast them and hope that in subsequent
who's an amputing one boy. A born hand of Franny amputing.
You know one.
Aye. Sanjebu.
Okay, the man.
Okay. So what Miss Maria. But I mean who's an amputing one boy. A born in Safran amputing.
Anyhow.
Our Ekanizaka.
No, me can't think see a born here. Ekanizaka. So I'm going to know that.
All right, yentwaso. Baba for so here. It will be able to see that this is here. Ebon is a penalty.
And he raised the hand to make the body bigger.
Yes.
The arms were not in the natural.
It need be anyone.
A bag and a hand here. Say.
Yentwaso.
Right. Inti, General, that was it. Manchester United born say one heavy. Now what you praise them for the number of times our keep clean sheet. Only gonna associate not even Alex Ferguson in the first 2 games so keep clean sheet say. But you know, course of war, no, they continue to struggle against certain sides. Chelsea struggle in their midfield. But if you have time to watch Billy Gilmour in this particular game, you know, he was so sensational. And David De Gea also keep Manchester United in this particular game with 3-point excellent saves. United didn't know which neighbor with all this identity, with all this hype about certain philosophy. Manchester United continue to struggle, and you know, United and so in a penalty, which was another controversial one. And so be a channel to me, per what I watch, it wasn't a penalty. But at the end of it all, United in the 3 maximum points, and it is so important. A winning game. It's early days yet, but again, you still give the cool time. This or buy, I feel on so she the team. A different
referee and can't penalty crowd.
The referee. Come here, papa. Me. Mona you will be able to see any. We a penalty.
All right. Yentwaso.
You know. So that was indeed. That is Manchester United for 3 points, and you know clearly almost basro kakra from baby and omodano and that referee. But they have a lot of work to do. So I say over top there, you don't struggle against Norwich. Chelsea on the other hand at home against Leeds United, and any end-to-end action biano. So who number of goals say mu a ema ne nyon won akra. Why? Because these two sides no mu game no mu boni na general obiya biem obiya control obiya try to create and obiya try to obiya opportunities no the ball let me atone. No matter how you look at it from Leeds United, so I miss several key players no you know mu ball game no because ya ka say Chelsea ahun odi ni ba bi ejina ne pa no mfimfin but this time Ababe Ruben Loftus-Cheek and then Jorginho and the air try so mu betimi abibi attack na betimi amani mu ogina no betimi contain more possession no you know attack na enti say the net here na nti ancha won cry and this penalty too you know another controversial one and Rafinha and so etimi e ball no e de to watenem then Chelsea came back omo ba equalize side ba ko kan ho in the 82nd minute obiya nim say game no end 2-1 and then Leeds United omo give we any nose to on 10 and almost team na equalizer and before Anthony Rudiger day in day out Rudiger why Chelsea need to give me a new contract or why Chelsea need to add up to Nisikana or Peso Original or why he has been the mainstay at the Chelsea centre back and why he's so key to the Chelsea team by getting that particular penalty for them. You know Chelsea winning by 3-2. The sad aspect again and it's also why a Chelsea game now you know in the last 3 games Chelsea have conceded 8 goals. Who be under Thomas Tuchel but this time and one AC into coach no in as much as all win no so adwuma and you know the defense no also making sure so be no I shey Chelsea deserves the spot and I think say so mo betimi abodi up with this particular points
penalties in a bad game we no problem we back be one so they okay all right
just say high nyesa penalty bi wa
penalty ben yen no ha
Ghana Premier League Rudiger ball na ya penalty Ghana Premier League obi anye you know Ghana Premier League obi anye say zero na do ball no anje penalty no Ghana Premier League obi anye
Andy
you know as a franco
football laws no universal
there be ase ya na oka but ye buy had ye ne dia a different
it depends on the referee but this is clearly a penalty. I think Rudiger was smart. Similar one na Thiago Silva and so say win him no player no ebe bobo ni boom na ne di kan won anim then you kick the back
twa nine no
unya twa nine pa penalty eti for me nim de ntia say ekromo magic similar ones ekromo akrobi
edu bia Andy kan
ana de softer
edu bia o kan na odi kan o ohwe Adriana any Olympics game no out of my group.
Yeah.
Okay. O dey ba local stories na.
Yeah.
Dey ba local stories na. Incident be a buy. Na referee ni ben pa.
You see baby and the dibim. Cristiano Ronaldo penalty omuji. National League on Cities Nash good oboase. Atuko e de na omo e de ne to for no. Utim say atuko e de ne clearer than Cristiano Ronaldo di.
Referee jina wa
no wanje sometimes
sa ayini de munyi ntume ho
aduana de
ono
meka wa